So you remember I told you I was going to be steaming with my Stella. And so as I was steaming, the water kept popping and popping. I was like, what is going on? And it started spilling out, right? That's why it's always, pro tip right here. That's why it's always good to have a towel on the bottom of your, on the floor in front of your steamer in case water starts spilling out. So, um, so anyway, I took everything apart. I took the hood off, the part, the body of the steamer off of the stand, and I went and took the I can't turn around, but I took the little cap off of the side. If you look on your steamer, because I don't want to get out of, if you look on your steamer and you see the little spout with the black cap on it, if you take that out, make sure you're at a sink. If you take that out, take that off, water will come out. So I had it too full. So you want to make sure that you don't overfill your steamer, right? And also, I wanted to just share with you that if you truly, your hair to be hydrated and to be its healthiest, doesn't it make sense to do something different so that you can get a better result? And so I know that you want your hair to be the healthiest it can be. You want it to be hydrated and soft, right? You want it to grow stronger. You want it to be fuller looking and feeling soft and healthy, right? So, what you need to do is do something different. So, of course, Stella the Steamer is on my store. And the best part is that with the premium kit, you get all of the products, the shampoo, the conditioner, the oil, and the spray, and you get some accessories that help keep the moisture in, and it just makes sense. The whole package makes sense. So go to beautifulhairproducts.com and look up the premium steamer, the premium moisturizing steamer kit, and we have it in all the different flavors. So go and look that up and get you one of the kits so that you can go from where you are now to where you want to be.